Yeah, so actually my role as a team manager is very multitasking, to describe it with one word, and actually it's almost impossible to describe it within a few sentences, because of course the role is very large. So it's a lots of things to take care and lots of things to manage. It's very exciting, challenging, but very exciting. The work happens behind the scenes, at the workshop, at the training tracks, when we do the testing. So to races you come and really make the end result of your work that you do during the week, during the winter, during the week, and then make the final settings and make everything work, make everything as reliable as possible, and make everything work from the start until the finish flag. I would say intense. So MXGP racing, and to work with the top level professional riders, mechanics, and on the highest level of the motocross world, which is the MXGP World Championship, everything is intense. Let it be a different type of start mapping, let it be a different type of RPM areas, let it be during the race, you know, that the rider feels comfortable to manage his power. Very variable weather conditions in Europe, and the championship is from more or less from March until October. So we face all different type of conditions, and even the weather might change still in last moment. There comes a rain and the track becomes very heavy and muddy. KET Products has helped us a lot on all circumstances. So really like not only during the race weekends. This is of course the ultimate event and happening. Monitor the bike, the hours, they can monitor the temperatures, everything, you know, what's going on, and that way we can always have everything also during the week working the best possible way. So it's super important to use both of those. So you need to find the best possible balance between the rider feeling and the data you are getting out, and there you need experience. So both are as important, both are important, and there somewhere when you combine those two together, you will eventually find the best possible result. Human aspect is of course very important for everything, not only for let's say understanding data or understanding the bike, or that's with the experience. All humans living under this intense world, and lots of stress and pressure, and very let's say lots of male testosterone. So yeah, there is lots of things going on, but that's also what makes it so exciting. That's racing on the highest level. In this world, you will never stop learning. You keep learning every single race, every single year, and once you think you know it all, I think it's better stay home.